Did you know that businesses can increase profits by up to 95% with a mere 5% improvement in customer retention? In today's data-driven marketplace, organizations are drowning in disconnected customer information, missed opportunities, and fragmented communication strategies. Companies struggle to leverage their most valuable asset, customer data, resulting in inefficient sales processes, lost revenue, and diminishing customer loyalty. Sales teams and customer-facing professionals are battling overwhelming challenges, managing complex customer interactions across multiple platforms, struggling with data inconsistency, and lacking strategic insights to drive meaningful customer relationships. Individual employees feel frustrated by inefficient systems, time-consuming manual processes, and an inability to provide personalized customer experiences that truly make a difference. Our comprehensive training program provides a transformative approach to mastering customer relationship management. Participants will gain advanced skills in CRM strategy, data analysis, technological integration, and customer interaction optimization. The program goes beyond technical training, offering deep insights into leveraging CRM tools to create seamless, intelligent customer experiences that drive business growth and customer loyalty. Organizations can expect a significant transformation in sales efficiency, customer engagement, and revenue generation. Participants will develop the ability to turn raw customer data into actionable insights, streamline communication processes, and create personalized customer journeys that differentiate their brand in a competitive marketplace. The training equips professionals with cutting-edge strategies to transform CRM from a mere software tool to a powerful business growth engine. This is more than a certification. It's a strategic pathway to customer relationship mastery. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your customer data and revolutionize your approach to customer interactions? Your business transformation starts now. Seize this opportunity to become a CRM expert who turns information into meaningful, profitable relationships.